Let's review how to use the Taxes Owed Obligations accordion on the Liabilities page of Toolkit.law. Select the Numbers section, then the Liabilities page. Click on the Taxes Owed Obligations accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, each tax obligation is entered directly into the structured table. Add a description, the number of years remaining, and the corresponding monthly payment in the clearly labeled fields provided on each row. To add another obligation, click the plus icon. If you need to remove an entry, simply use the bin icon without affecting the rest of your calculations. As you enter or adjust data, the monthly totals, annual totals, and total payoff figures update instantly in the summary section below the table. Once your calculations are complete, you can download the data, recycle it, undo changes, or share it securely. You can also move directly into the Toolkit.law productivity suite without losing momentum. This structured layout helps legal professionals reduce spreadsheet errors and validate financial figures quickly. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Taxes Owed Obligations accordion.